up? It is your girl LWL. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. LWL. Ooh, ooh, L. Alright, so today, y'all, I'm so excited to be recording and filming this video because I have been ranting and raving, if you've been here before, about the Main Choice product lines, and I am excited to bring to you this review, and I guess I can say thorough review, because this is actually my third time using it, and repetitively. I wanted to not just do first impressions, because first impressions can be misleading. Sometimes things don't work the first time you try it, then the second time it's like really good, and then you've already given like a bad review or whatever. So I wanted to try it, and I'm absolutely in love. Like, this combination that I have going, my curls have never been better. So I'm just going to demonstrate a very defined high puff for you guys and how easy it is. Now, don't let this video fool you, and I have to let y'all know that, because when I watch other natural hair videos, they make it look so easy, and for me, it wasn't always easy. Like, it's getting a lot easier, and my hair with the products I've been using have my hair has kind of softened. Like, the Main Choice really does soften your hair. I am working with 3C in the back, 4A in the middle, and 4B in the front. So just so you guys know that your hair can have multiple textures in it and multiple patterns. My hair in the back is a lot looser. The curl is a lot looser, and the front is like, give us free, and I'm okay with that. So I just work with what I have, but I just want to show you guys everything that I have and that I'm using. Today I am using the Main Choice Tropical Moringa line, but this is the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Shampoo, and I paired it with the conditioner. And the good thing is, usually, let me see, this is my third go around. If you guys can tell, let me see where that is. Hopefully you guys can tell that my products are at the same. Like, this is the line for the shampoo, this is the line for the conditioner. So that's a good thing. They're pretty much neck and neck. Usually I will have shampoo forever and the conditioner like is gone, but I'm able to get like the same amount of usage out of both. So that's what I washed my hair with, and this is a t-shirt. I dry my hair with a t-shirt so that it does not snag, it does not pull. And I am going to be doing the lock method. So what I'm showing you guys is pretty much going to be like a wash and go, but a puff up. So for my lock method, my leave-in is going to be this Cream of Nature Argan Oil. From Morocco. It's the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. That's what I'm using. It's like hands down my favorite so far. And then for my oil, I have found, and I have gone back to olive oil. It has really helped me. So this is really just regular cooking olive oil. Next, I have for my cream, I'm going to use the Tropical Moringa. This is the sealing cream, okay? And lastly, I have two stylers that I'm using because I do want to style my hair, and this is going to define my curls. I get Pearly Braid Out Glaze, same line, and Eco Styler, because this for me is a winner. This is the Coconut Oil Eco Styler. Of course, you have to have H2O, so I'm going to be using water. And finally, guys, to freshen up my hair throughout the week, or what you will want to do throughout the week, make sure that you get this restorative spray. I mean, y'all, usually I would spray some more leave-in conditioner or water throughout the week to refresh my curls, but this right here is like, it's like magic in a bottle. It's like, where have you been all my life? So, get it. Okay. Alright, let's get going, because you got me talking too much. I got things to do. Alright, guys, so the t-shirt pretty much soaked up about 50% of my moisture, and I wanted to show you guys my hair without any product in it. That's my natural pattern with all its natural gray hair right in the front, okay? So I went ahead and I started my hair. I started the process, and I want to show you guys. I'm going to demonstrate on the front of my hair. So again, the lock method right there, I am just putting water on my hair. I want to make sure that it is well moisturized. And I'm going to then do the leave-in. Just spray a few sprays, and that again is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. And I'm going to use my olive oil, and I'm putting about a quarter size because I need a little bit more than the average, and I want to make sure that I massage that into my scalp as well, so that way my scalp is going to be nourished throughout the time that I actually have the product in my hair or the style in my hair. I'm just going to detangle a little bit, and I always start from the bottom, which is how you are to start to detangle your hair, always from the bottom up. Now, it's best to have your hair as detangled as possible before you apply the rest of the products, especially the gel, because you want it to be able to clump correctly. So that is the cream that I'm putting in. And I'm going to make sure that the lock method is going to be locked in with the brush. The brush that I'm using is the Evolve detangling brush. Y'all, this brush has saved my life so many different times. I prefer it 100 times over the Denman brush. It's very similar to the Denman brush, but the bristles are more sturdier. The brush handle is better, the wood is better, and it looks like I'm being a little rough on my hair, guys, but really I'm not. I am tender-headed, so don't worry about me being rough, because that is never a problem. And right there, I am putting in the gel, and I want to make sure that I massage that throughout. And as you can see, the brush is evenly distributing the gel. And once I'm done with a section, I take my crocodile clip and I clip it down and out the way. And what that is also doing is helping my hair stretch from the roots. So again, I'll show you guys. Just water is first. My leave-in. And the sealing cream. And if you guys notice, that I'm not putting to the root. I think I said that already. Because I am going to put my hair up in a puff, and I don't want to have too much product right at the root. I just want to use my actual gel that I'm going to use for my, to slick my edges down. I don't want to have too much buildup on my hair. So again, I'm just detangling at this point. Just add a little bit more water, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in the braid out glaze. And so guys, I'm now just taking it into a little bit smaller sections and detangling. And if you can see, I am only using my brush halfway down. I don't want to define my hair completely because I want to, again, have the roots stretched a little. So I'm really concerned with just defining the part that's going to be showing in my puff. And another side note, like I'm detangling with the brush and then I use my fingers to kind of shingle the hair. But I want you guys to know that this brush does not create curls for you. Nothing is going to create curls for you. Your products and your brushes are accessories or tools to define the curls you already have. So I get people, a lot of times they ask me, how do you get your hair so curly? Jesus. Like, I don't know what else to say. So, I mean, there are products, again, and different methods to enhance your own natural curl pattern. And that's all you can do. I mean, unless you're going to curl up your hair with rollers, I mean, it's still not a permanent thing. So you have to work with and embrace the hair that you already have and the pattern that you have. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put my last clip in. I'm going to shake my hair out a little bit just to kind of move it around some. And I'm going to let it dry, and I am back now. So my hair is probably 70% dry. So I'm getting ready to put it into the puff. Just moving it around again. And so you guys can see, again, it's about 70% dry. It's as defined as it is going to get. And now I'm going to start to maneuver up into this puff. So with the Ego Styler gel, I'm just going to start with a small amount and apply that to the areas that I want to lay down. And guys, what's really good about this gel, or most gels in general, when you want to refresh your hair and you want to, or you feel the need to lay your edges a little bit more, all you have to do is refresh it with H2O. Your edges, your hair is always going to lay flat better with water. It needs to be wet first. And it also reactivates the product that's already in your hair. So you have to then, or should I say, you won't have to use as much product. So you don't want to have a lot of product built up on your hair. So just make sure that you re-wet it with the water, and then if necessary, you put more product in. And right there, I'm just using that goodie brush to slick everything down. All the products will be listed below, even the tools or accessories that I use, they will be listed as well. And for the actual puff, I'm using, this is a goodie band. It is for thick hair. They do have different sizes, but this one was perfect for me because I don't have to twist it. I just put it on just like this, and it's going to hold my puff. So the easiest way to get your hair in a puff in the way that you want it to go, you start to maneuver it from the back. So I'm just slowly rolling, and this band does not snag your hair or anything. It is made for natural hair. So it's a smooth transition. So I'm just going to play around with it and get my puff to the desired height that I want. And I don't want to do too much manipulation to the hair right now. So I'm going to take my scarf, my satin scarf, and I'm going to place it around my edges so that way they can lay down correctly. Just making sure that none of the puff is in the scarf. And I'm just lifting it a little bit from the roots. I don't want to do too much maneuvering to it or manipulation to it while it's wet. Just so you guys can see there, look at my curls. Like, yo, I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I'm just going to let my hair do its thing while I put my makeup on. Okay, that was quick. So guys, I am done. My hair is probably, oh gosh, it never is fully dry, y'all. When I first do it, it usually takes about 24 hours to fully dry. But I'm just going to go ahead. It's been about 20 minutes. So the hair is laid down pretty well. And I'm just gently using my pick. I have another one that I'm going to use to fluff it. It's a little small metal one, and that's going to give me the height that I really, really want. But y'all, she cute. She ready. That's how you know. You get that little smile. You know you did a good job. So, and guys, this style literally lasts me for a minute. Like, I can just re-wet it at night, tie it up. I put the scarf around my head, and on top of the actual puff, you guys, I put a bonnet. Yes, your girl don't play. I don't need any hair exposed whatsoever. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's so simple and easy to get it up and ready. And throughout the week, like I said, with this restorative spray, you can spray that, and that will really clump your curls right back up. You don't even have to touch them, and you will be good to go. LWL, ooh, ooh, L. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed, and most importantly, be a blessing. Smooches.